Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about how you can end the call using the power button of your device in your OnePlus Nord CE2. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move to the topic. If you want to end the call using a power button, like if you don't want to end the call using the screen and you want to end the call using the power button of your device, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable the power button and call feature in your device.